So next concept here is sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side, and it has always been proven. How? Look, I will take a triangle here, A, B and C. Here if we take any two sides like AB plus AC, it will always be greater than BC. Or if we take other two sides AB plus BC, this will be always greater than AC. Or BC plus AC, it will always greater than AB, and it is always greater. Sum of two sides is always greater than the third side, always greater. Yeah, if there is an internal triangle formed here, look, if there is a one more triangle formed here, this is P. So this was in triangle ABC. So in triangle PBC, okay, in triangle PBC, okay, here always BP plus PC, BP plus PC will always be greater than third side, that is BC. Or BP plus BC will be greater than PC, or BC plus PC is always greater than BP. Always the sum of two sides is always greater than third side. If it is an internal triangle or an external triangle, it doesn't matter. If we take a triangle, then sum of two sides will always be greater than the third side. Okay, so I am proceeding with the question based on this concept. The question here is fifth B part. In a triangle, a side is 4 cm, 5 cm and a 10 cm. So it is asking, is it possible? That is in a triangle, can these sides be possible? Okay, for taking this, we need to take the sum of two and check whether it is greater than third or not. So in question number 15 B part, one side is 10, one side is 5 and one side is 4 cm. Unit is must. Okay, if we take the sum of two sides like 10 plus 5 is greater than 4, means 15 is greater than 4. This is correct, this is true. If we take 10 plus 4 is greater than 5, means 14 is greater than 5. Yeah, this is also true. If we take third, 4 plus 5 is greater than 10, that is 9 is greater than 10. This is false. So this statement was false. That means the sum of two sides was not greater than third side. So this triangle is not possible. Okay, for all the pairs that should be equal, not only for 2 or 1, for all the pairs that sum of two sides should be greater than the third side. If all the pairs are not equal, then it is not forming a triangle. So our next question here is 16th question. So in the 16th question, we need to prove that AB plus BC plus AC equals to 2AP. So we need to take AP two times. If we need to take AP two times, that is, we need to take two triangles. Very clear. Because AP is coming in two triangles, APC and BAP. Yeah, AP is coming in two triangles, APC and ABP. ABP and APC. Okay, this AP is common to both the triangles. So we will take two triangles. In triangle APC, I will take first this triangle APC. Okay, we will have all the things like AP plus PC is greater than AC, AP plus AC is greater than PC, and AC plus PC is greater than AP. Yeah, these three are equal, and what we needed, we need AP on the less than side. We need to prove AP on the less than side. If we need AP on the less than side, so in this statement, this is the AP on the less than side. So we will take this statement here. So the next triangle here is ABP. In triangle ABP, we will have all the things again, that AB plus BP is greater than AP. AB plus AP is greater than BP. AP plus BP is greater than AB. We needed AP on the less than side, so we will take this statement. So by 1 plus 2, what do I mean? If we add equation 1 and equation 2, okay, if we add equation 1 and equation 2, so we will add in the same way, that is RHS of 1, sorry, left hand side first. LHS, this is left side, LHS of 1 plus LHS of 2 will be less than RHS of 1 plus RHS of 2. Okay, cause if we see the sign is same, the sign should also be same in both these equations. 2 and 1, sign is of less than, means greater than, sign is of greater than in both of them. So we will take the same sign and we can add the equation easily. So AB for the LHS of 1 is AC plus PC. AC plus PC, yeah, plus LHS of 2 is AB plus BP is greater than RHS of 1. RHS of 1 was AP. RHS of 2 was AP. Yeah. So if we see this, AC plus AB are normal. And what we had to prove? We had to prove this AC plus BC plus AC. We have got AC plus AB. AC plus AB we have got, we are left with BC. BC is not given here. Okay. And this is 2 times AP. And what we are left with? Plus PC plus BP. Okay, these two are extra. And what we need BC in place of this. If we check BP plus PC, this is BP plus PC. BP plus P and C. BP plus PC equals to BC. Look, this BC is divided into 2 parts, BP and PC. This BC equals to BP plus PC. So BP will be equal, BC will be equals to BP plus PC. BC equals to BP plus PC. Okay. So here AC plus AB. If we can write BC in place of this addition, is greater than 2AP. Okay. So we will write it in order. AB plus BC plus CA is greater than 2AP. So we had to prove this only. So now we have got our answer, hence proved.